Whenever someone thinks of the T20 World Cup of 2026, they'll think of 700s.
Fastest T20 100 in the World Cup ever.
This is my memory of a lifetime, man.
Feel the thrill, man.
They'll also remember associate nations standing up and making sure that everyone notices.
10th wicket win for the Italians. Look at them celebrate.
It's a real experience. I can't express it in words.
And everyone will remember how talent
Met opportunity.
all thanks to the T20 Creator Club.
One of the finest, most amazing things that I've done in my entire life.
Tag me, guys. I need more followers myself. Get me up there.
True fans of the game got to experience the thrill of a World Cup in a very special way.
तो क्रिएटर क्लब में हम सभी क्रिएटर्स को मौका मिला था अपनी फेवरेट टीम को सपोर्ट करने का और एक्सेस मिला था टू शूट विद द प्लेयर्स, टू कोलैबोरेट विद द प्लेयर्स,
to shoot the content and to watch the match under one roof. It's like God has been kind, so T20 Creator Club is the best thing possible for me.
Ever since I've come here, my smile is from this year to this year, and I can literally feel the adrenaline. And I've been discussing with my friends, you know what? Match is fun.
Captain's Carnival was one of the corest lifetime memories क्योंकि वहाँ पे मैंने इतनी फन चीज़ें की हैं.
कोलैबोरेट करना एक अलग चीज़ होती है. उनके साथ गेम खेलना, उनके साथ फील्ड पे रहना एक बहुत ही डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस था.
From playing cricket with one of the finest cricketers of the world to bonding with Scott Edwards who was the captain of Netherlands. First मैं क्रिकेट थोड़ा सा अजीब से खेल रही थी तो उस वजह से पूरा माहौल और फनी हो गया था.
Other people won, but for me it was an experience.
It was one of the finest, most amazing things that I've done in my entire life.
It's very rare that you get to meet the greats of the game, but this T20 World Cup, those dreams were brought to life.
It is the best day of my life. I got a signed ball from the GOAT, Dale Steyn himself.
It's always good with these creators. They make it very easy for you. That's why they have so many followers. Tag me, guys. I need more followers myself. Get me up there. But a fun experience. I'm looking forward to what the end results are.
This is my adventure of a lifetime. This is my memory of a lifetime, man. Let's go, man.
Creators were given the opportunity to be a part of big games, and we're better to see those key contests than pitch side.
वानखेड़े पे for this big occasion कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मिलेगा. For India, we are here.
The match is good, the atmosphere is great, the crowd, as you all can hear, is wild, and I'm feeling like Virat Kohli, how he used to give the post-match presentation. You have made my dream come true.
सबसे बेस्ट जो अपॉर्चुनिटी थी वो इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान मैच की थी. हमें ऑन ग्राउंड एक्सेस मिला था जहाँ पे हम प्लेयर्स के एकदम करीब थे.
My favorite moment was of course, with the Indian captain Surya Kumar Yadav. उनके साथ इंटरैक्ट करना ही मेरे लिए अपने में बड़ी बात है.
मुझे रोहित शर्मा सर के साथ मिलने का मौका मिला. मैंने उनके साथ पिक्चर क्लिक की.
रोहित शर्मा ऑलमोस्ट मेरे पीछे खड़े थे. इस तरफ हार्दिक पांड्या थे.
सरियल एक्सपीरियंस है. आई कांट एक्सप्रेस इट इन वर्ड्स.
Once in a lifetime moment है. ऐसा मिलता नहीं है. सेमीफाइनल के लिए लोग यहाँ पे मर रहे हैं आने के लिए and we got this opportunity thanks to ICC.
सब कुछ आईसीसी की वजह से ही है और इतना क्लोज एक्सेस मिला है. बाउंड्री को हमने टच करके आया हूँ. ये शब्दों में बयान नहीं किया जा सकता.
First of all, thank you ICC to give this opportunity to create content at such a great level.
एक टाइम पे एकेडमी के लिए पैसे नहीं हुआ करते थे और आज वो इस ग्राउंड पे ये अलग फीलिंग है भाई.
Like कभी सोचा नहीं था यार घर पे बैठ के मैचेस देख रहा हो एंड अगले ही दिन आप कैप्टन के इतने पास हो. He is like interacting with you, which makes the moment really special. So yeah, it was a dream come true moment.
Being around the pitch as a fan, मतलब फैंडम को कहाँ लेके जा सकते हैं ये फाइनली मतलब हमने प्रूव कर दिया and thanks to all of you.
It's India who win the World Cup for the third time.
क्या ही एक्सप्रेस करूँ मैं. मतलब बहुत ही वो दिल के करीब है और सब लेके जाऊंगा मैं आज.
This is what dreams are made of. A smile on the faces of fans and moments worth a lifetime. That's what sport is about, isn't it?
India needs you. The world needs you. They need the spectators, the viewers and the fans are what make the game really. So it's great for these content creators to be out here and just exposing the game and taking it to another level.
Feel the thrill, man. Feel the thrill.